Hey there! Welcome back to Dr. English Channel.
Hello. This is your go-to place for learning real-world conversations, the kind of English you actually need.
Wherever you are right now, we're happy you pressed play. Hey Doc, how are you today?
Doing great. Got my coffee, got my mic, and I've got a fun conversation ready. How about you? How's your day going?
Not bad. I just came back from the gym actually. First time in weeks. And wow, my legs are already complaining.
Haha, nice timing. You picked the perfect day.
Wait, why? What's today's episode about?
We're going to the gym. Today, we've got a conversation between a new customer and a gym staff member. She's nervous. She's just moved to the area, and she wants to start getting fit.
Oh, I love that! So real, so relatable.
You'll hear how to ask about memberships, classes, personal trainers, and how to feel confident, even if you've never stepped foot in a gym before.
All right. Headphones on, muscles relaxed, English brain activated. Let's go.
Here we go.
Hi there. I just moved to the area and I'm looking for a good gym. Can you tell me a bit about this place?
Hello. Of course. Welcome to PowerFit Gym. We're a full-service fitness center with equipment for cardio, strength training, and functional workouts. Are you looking for anything specific?
Thanks. Well, I'm a beginner. I haven't worked out in a long time, and I'm mostly interested in getting fit and feeling better. I'm also a bit nervous.
No worries. A lot of people feel the same way when they start. We try to make it as friendly and comfortable as possible for everyone, especially beginners.
That sounds great. Can you tell me what kinds of memberships you have?
Sure. We have three main plans. Basic, $40 per month. Full access to the gym and equipment. Standard, $60 per month. Gym access plus unlimited group classes. Premium, $90 per month. Includes all of the above plus one personal training session per week.
I think I might be interested in group classes. What kind do you offer?
We've got a variety of group classes. Yoga, Pilates, Zumba, HIIT, high-intensity interval training, strength and core, stretch and mobility. There's something every day, morning and evening.
Nice. I usually work during the day. Do you have evening classes?
Yes, most classes run between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m., so you can come after work.
Perfect. What about trainers? Are there personal trainers here? And do you have female trainers?
Yes, we have both male and female certified personal trainers. If you prefer a female trainer, we'll match you with one. They can help you build a workout plan, show you how to use the machines, and stay motivated.
That's exactly what I need. I'm not familiar with gym equipment at all.
No problem. On your first session, the trainer will walk you through everything and adjust the plan to your goals.
Awesome. Can I look around before I decide?
Absolutely. Let me give you a quick tour. Over here is the cardio zone. Treadmills, ellipticals, bikes. That area is the free weights and machines. Upstairs, we have the group class studio and the stretching area. Locker rooms and showers are at the back. Everything is cleaned several times a day.
It's really clean and spacious. I like that.
We're proud of that. We also offer a free one-day trial, so you can try a class or just explore the space before signing up.
That's great. By the way, what do I need to bring if I want to sign up?
Just a photo ID and a method of payment. You can pay monthly or get a discount if you pay for 6 or 12 months in advance.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes. Credit, debit, or cash. We also have a mobile app if you prefer paying online or booking classes through your phone.
Sounds modern. One last question. Is there parking?
Yes, we have a free parking lot for members right behind the building.
Perfect. I think I'll go with the standard membership. Can I start today?
Yes, absolutely. Let's fill out this quick form, and I'll print your membership card. You can also schedule your first class or personal training session.
Great. Thank you so much for your help. I'm actually excited to start.
You're very welcome. Welcome to PowerFit Gym. You're going to love it here.
Cut! And we're back. That was such a relatable and helpful conversation, especially if you've ever felt a little nervous walking into a gym for the first time.
So real, right? I've definitely been there, standing by the front desk like, hi?
Exactly. And that's why this kind of everyday English matters. All right, ready to dig into some of the most useful phrases?
Let's do it. What's our first one?
Let's listen and see.
Well, I'm a beginner. I haven't worked out in a long time, and I'm mostly interested in getting fit and feeling better. I'm also a bit nervous.
Let's talk about that. Saying, I'm a beginner, is a supernatural way to let someone know you're new to something. It works for the gym, a language, a job, anything.
And I'm a bit nervous. That's so human. It's not dramatic. It's not too formal. It's just honest.
Exactly. That little word bit makes it softer. You could also say, I'm a little nervous, or even, I'm kinda nervous.
Super useful at the gym or in an English class.
All right, let's go see what the next one is.
Awesome. Can I look around before I decide?
Nice one. This is a great polite question to ask in any setting. A gym, a store, even an apartment.
Right. You're basically saying, I'm interested, but I want to see for myself first.
Key phrase here, before I decide. It makes it clear you haven't made up your mind yet, but you're close.
Totally non-pushy and sounds confident.
All right, next up. Let's listen.
We also offer a free one-day trial.
We also offer a free one-day trial.
Great customer service phrase. The word offer here is key. It's formal and friendly.
You could use that in business too. Like, we offer free delivery or we offer support 24/7.
Exactly. Also useful to recognize as a customer. If you hear free trial, take advantage of it.
Free is my favorite price.
Mine too. All right, next one.
Do you have evening classes?
This is a great example of a yes-no question. Starts with, do you have? Simple and flexible.
Yeah. You could say, do you have vegetarian options? Do you have Wi-Fi? Do you have a return policy?
Exactly. Just swap the noun at the end.
Useful anywhere in daily life.
All right, let's do one more.
You can also schedule your first class or personal training session.
You can also schedule your first class or personal training session.
Ooh, this one's about taking action. The phrase, you can also, is a smooth way to add helpful info without sounding pushy.
Schedule your first class. That's great business English, too. Could be schedule a meeting, schedule an interview, you name it.
So many good expressions in one short conversation, right?
Seriously, I feel like every line had something useful.
All right, friends. If you're enjoying these real-life English breakdowns, make sure to check the description for more resources.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode.
This has been Dr. English.
And Nora. See you next time.